Welcome back to HealthTech Explorers. Artificial intelligence is transforming medicine from translation to diagnosis and decision support. But in healthcare, every mistake comes with a price. In this video, we'll look at real-life cases and risks of AI in medicine, where it helps, where it fails, and what can be done to make it safer. Medical translation errors. AI often misinterprets complex medical terms and context. For example, the word positive in medical language can mean a confirmed diagnosis or simply a positive mood. AI often confuses the two. In one case, translating a prescription from English to Armenian changed may take ibuprofen to may take an anti-tank missile, creating a life-threatening misunderstanding. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Google Translate mistranslated vaccine instructions from English to Spanish. Instead of "not required," it translated as "not needed," fueling massive misinformation. The average accuracy of Google Translate for medical translations is about 57%, with much lower accuracy for languages like Swahili and Armenian, posing serious patient safety risks. Privacy violations and HIPAA breaches. Sending patient data to public chatbots or unprotected AI systems violates laws and compromises data security. Diagnostic and recommendation errors. AI is trained on data sets that may be limited or non-representative, leading to inaccurate recommendations, especially for autoimmune or rare diseases. Ethical and social challenges. Clinical decisions require more than algorithms. Human empathy, morality, and accountability cannot be replaced by AI. Overestimating AI capabilities. Uncritical marketing and overhyped expectations create blind trust in AI, increasing the risk of medical errors. How to reduce the risks? Always double-check AI translations and recommendations with qualified professionals. Protect patient data and never share it with unsecured systems. Train healthcare staff to use AI responsibly and consciously. Treat AI as a supporting tool, not a standalone solution. Develop ethical and legal protocols for AI applications in medicine. Ensure transparency, regular audits, and continuous improvement of AI systems. AI is a powerful tool for healthcare, but not a universal doctor. Translation mistakes or diagnostic errors can cost lives. The future of safe AI in medicine depends on responsibility, control, and the collaboration between human expertise and technological innovation. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.